The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG G8X ThinQ for Sprint. So this phone is available now. It got released on Friday, November 8th. So this one's been out for a few days now on Sprint. This one's also available on at&t as well. It came out on November 1st for at&t. So this is what the phone looks like. It's a very nice phone. It's available in black, 128 gigabytes of storage there. It does have a teardrop notch there, so that's pretty cool. Power buttons on the right side, volume keys are on the left side, so is your Google Assistant key, alright? There's the wallpaper down the front, nice looking wallpaper, really colorful and all that. Y'all guys can get this on Sprint's 18 months flex plan, which is $15 a month, or the full retail price of the G8X from Sprint is $749 right there. So it's actually $30 cheaper on Sprint than it is on at&t full retail price. Sprint is selling this phone full retail $749, and at&t selling this phone full retail $779. So Sprint has it $30 cheaper in terms of full retail price. Alright. So that's fine. The phone, looks very nice and all that. There's your wait a minute. There's your front there, your teardrop notch, your volume keys, and your Google Assistant key. Power button there. Here it is with the dual screen SS right here. So this is the dual screen, this is the second screen right here. This is the phone itself right here. So this is what the dual screen accessory, which is pretty fucking cool. There it is in front again there. Sides again there. And then on the back of the G8X, they got some dual cameras. Camera flash G8X ThinQ logo and the LG logo, and it's available in black there. So a really nice phone, Looks like it has like dual flash on back, which is really nice. So yeah, nice looking phone and stuff like that. So the LG G8X ThinQ has a 6.4-inch OLED display, all-day battery, dual screen with case, 32 megapixel camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. It says here, introducing the LG G8X ThinQ dual screen. Do more at once with LG G8X ThinQ dual screen and multitask like never before. Yeah. So that's the only reason why y'all would get this one, because of the dual screen accessory. Features of this phone says do more things your way. Multitask like never before with virtually endless ways to use the two screens. Text a frame while watching a video. Update your fantasy football team while researching stats, all without toggling back and forth between apps. Level up your game. Up your game with a dual screen that lets you play while researching strategies and conspiring with others. And with the LG gamepad, get a complete view of your game on one screen and full customizable controller on the other. So y'all guys can do a lot of things with this dual screen. It's all possibilities are endless. Best in class experience. The choice is yours. The power of two screens, the freedom to choose one. Simply detach the second screen when you want to go minimal. Now you can have a slim, light one on demand, or the benefit of an extra display that frees you to do more at once. So you have the choices. You can take out the case if you want to, or just keep it on at all times. It's up to you. Best in class experience. The LG G8X ThinQ gives you all you want from your phone, unlocked with a touch of the screen. Enjoy your favorite entertainment with a 6.4-inch OLED display and stereo sound. Do it all for longer with a 4,000 mAh battery, all before you add a second screen. Perfect shot every time. Truly capture it all with our widest camera lens out there at 136 degrees. Beyond epic vistas and group shots, you can also up your selfie game with a 32 megapixel front facing camera for pixel level detail and 4x zoom power. So the front facing camera is 32 megapixels, which is fucking insane. So that's really cool. So this phone has a lot of features on it, especially if you guys get the dual screen case. Just makes the phone a lot more enjoyable. Specs on this phone, like I said, really good specs. 4,000 mAh battery. You cannot remove the battery. Bluetooth there. I think it's Bluetooth 5.0. Your dimensions are 6.27 inches height, 2.96 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The display, like I said before, 6.4 inches OLED display, Full HD plus. That's 2340 by 1080 pixels. So the display is not that bad. Still pretty decent display. It has a capacitive keyboard. It has 128 GB of ROM, 6 GB of RAM with a micro SD card, so up to 2 TB. Android 9.8 Pie, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 30.9 hours of talk time, and the frame rate 6.79 ounces. I don't know if that's with the case or not, but if it's with the case, the frame rate way more, obviously, with the case on there. So the specs on there are really good. It kind of do have some flagship specs on there, but this is kind of like a mid-range to high-end phone. What you guys get in the box is an LG G8X ThinQ, 4,000 mAh battery, which is not removable, USB-C, data cable, wall USB charger, SIM tray tool, and important information booklet. So your standard stuff there. I think you do have to get this the dual screen accessory by itself, because it's not included with this, I don't think. If you guys got it from at&t, it was included, but with Sprint, I don't see it being included here. I don't know how much the dual screen accessory is by itself. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The LG G8X ThinQ is now here at Sprint. Y'all got some paid monthly for $15 a month, or buy this phone for retail at $749 full retail price at Sprint. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.